everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got an 888 lots box of household decor. So I'm really excited about what we find. I love their stuff. I've been really enjoying trying not to keep everything because it's amazing. But if you're interested in buying from 888 lots, I know that you can get a discount on your first order, like 50% off, I think. And then you can get 30% off on individual items. And then there are also international sister companies that I've listed down in the description below. So it's my new favorite liquidator. So if you want to buy from them, just look at all the details in the description. You'll be able to find it. But before you order from them, you definitely want to see what's inside this box. So let's go ahead and unbox it. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I definitely want to put some of these things on the fire sale. So we're going to hopefully find some good deals. I paid about $73 for this box, and that's fully shipped. I buy it usually in a load. I think this one came in 4 boxes. And I got this off my fixed price one. I don't think I negotiated for this one. This was their fixed price lots that they send emails for, and they go fast. So if you get an email, you want to check it out right away because they do go really, really fast. So let's see what we got. So we're just going to show you everything. We may scan a few things. God's love shines in a mother's heart. So It's just a wall. I think it's a coffee table. Nope, it's a wall hanging. See?
There you go.
So it can hang on the wall or just sit on a coffee table. So that's a neat home decor piece. Good mom's gift for Christmas time. Hint, hint. All right, what is this? This is Quick Cozy Comfort Air Pillow. So
travel pillow?
Yeah, this is one of those travel pillows. Neck travel pillows. Love You Forever, Home is With You photo frame. Let's see. Hold on. See if I can get it open. There we go. Ooh, this looks like a fancy frame. Home is With You. Love You Forever. That's a nice frame, isn't it?
It is really sharp looking.
And then it's a tabletop one. So you stand it up. It's like that.
Yeah.
That's a cool frame.
It is a nice frame.
I'm going to set this all over here with the styrofoam because I will package it back into the box very nicely. And if you want any of these things ahead of time, feel free to always email me because I usually will have them priced by then. And then you can tell me what you want. Okay, here's a picture frame. Ooh, looks like an antique-y one. Look at that, silver and white. Boy, it's not doing it justice. It's prettier than it looks on camera for sure.
Yeah.
Here, let's stand it up. This is what it looks like. And it looks like we have 2 of them.
That's cool. Probably sell them as a set, maybe.
Yep, I'll probably sell them as a pair. They're both the exact same size. That's a pretty one.
So far, I've seen everything will sell.
Oh, yeah. Everything's going to sell well.
Yep.
I love home decor boxes. Yep. Everybody's looking to put that new piece in their house.
Little knickknacks always seem to sell pretty well for us.
Yes. I'm going to move these all over so I can have room to put more stuff. Okay, what's in this box? Oh,
look at that.
The pewter set.
Yeah. Wait, it's by Israel Giftware Designs. I'm trying to think. Is this for a particular different feast day, I think, maybe? There's a pretty looking little set. Well, they are all wrapped up real well.
I'm just going to unwrap this one.
Yeah.
Just to kind of get an idea of the detail.
Oh my, look at that. That looks cool looking.
So it looks like there is...
Look at that. That is sharp.
Havdalah. Havdalah set pewter with glass. I'm sure I'm butchering that name. I'm sorry if I am. But it looks like they've got the different pieces.
Is that right there?
I wonder what that's worth. I'm going to scan that barcode and just see. That's a neat set.
We should Google it too.
Yeah, like I said, if you are interested in any of these things, please let me know. Beautifully designed Havdalah set pewter with glass insert. Here's a better picture. It's $87 online.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yep. Oh,
wow.
Here, this is the glass underneath it, or the plate.
Oh wow.
See?
Cool. Hey, do me a favor. Can you Google that there?
Google the...
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm just curious if it's used for a special
occasion.
I'm
sure they'll leave down in the description what it is.
Oh,
so
I'm
if you
sure.
guys
Somebody
know,
knows exactly what it's for, but I'm trying to think. I don't think this is for Passover. So I'm trying to think. Festival booths, those sorts of things. So.
Okay. Yes. Okay, let's see. Havdalah sets from Israel. I'm trying. It's definitely a Jewish item. Safe well. I'm trying to see what it's used for.
Mm-hmm.
Traditional Jewish gifts. I'm trying to find out. Okay, let me see. Used for, ? Let's see. For ceremonial use. I can't figure it out.
You know what? Somebody will tell us.
Okay.
That's cool. It looks sharp, though.
You know, we could ask. We have a friend who, his wife is Jewish.
Mm-hmm.
She's a Christian, but his wife is Jewish, and we could probably ask her. I bet she would know.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is.
But there it is. It's a pretty set.
It is.
Very pretty.
Used for the Motzi Shabbat ceremony in modern Havdah set includes multi-wick candle, Kiddush cup, and spices.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay, cool. We will get that back in there.
Never know what you're going to get in these boxes, do you?
Yeah. That's kind of a neat piece. Looks like a ceremonial Jewish holiday, maybe, that they use it for. Special occasion or something. All right, so then we have protective mattress cover. 360, protect yourself and your family. Defends against dust mites and allergens. So this is for it is knitted. I'm trying to see what size it's for. It just says waterproof twin extra large. Twin extra large. So like if you have a deep twin mattress. All right, and then got another one of these travel comfort pillows. Inflatable ones. Look at that.
That's cool.
That's a
Is it actually working or is it just decorative?
No, it's got a hole in there to actually be a working
Hey, it's working one. Good.
Yep. So that's cool. I love those. Farmhouse feel.
Yep.
Oh, it looks like we have another one of these white and silver frames, so maybe we can do a set of 3. Bed risers. I have these on my bed because my bed was too short, and so I actually put them under my bed. You can put them under furniture, under your bed. They work great. So those are white ones, actually. Most of the time when I find bed risers, they're black. So it's actually kind of nice to know that you can get them in white. All right. Then, this is, we've sold these before. It's called Sack Me. It's a twin fitted sheet set, and it has these pasta, like these are panini and these are macaroni, X's and O's all over. So,
cool.
If you like pasta, there you go. You got a whole bed set.
You love and want to hug pasta.
Okay, here's a toy storage bag. So you can put the toys in there, let them play, and it opens flat, and then you can just pull the drawstring, boom, and it's all enclosed.
Genius.
Kids,
you can only play with your toys in the bag.
Here's another one.
That would be awesome.
What are these? These journals? They have kind of a weird... Let me just scan it. They look like just a journal.
It does. Notebook journal.
Yeah, but I'm going to look and make sure they're not something different. This says Studio Deconstructed Journal because the sides are not
Mm-hmm.
See how it's like that?
Sure.
So it's kind of a fun one. So you do open it and it stays together, but it doesn't have the seams on the side. They're actually pretty expensive online, but you have a bunch of them, see? So we have 4 of those.
Last time we got a journal, it sold fast.
It did. We actually have, are all the yellow ones sold already?
They're gone.
Did we sell the blue ones?
Yep, they're all gone.
So these are awesome. So if you want any of these, you're thinking Christmas gifts, there you go. Oh, here's another travel pillow for all the holiday traveling you'll be doing. And another travel pillow for all the these are inflatable travel pillows.
I think we were doing $5 a piece on the fire sale.
I think you're right. All right, and then
we're definitely going to make our money back on this one.
So like I said, definitely contact me. Oh, these are expensive. Non-slip furniture protector, and this one is for a chair. I know it's showing a couch, but it's just for a chair. And it's going to be, it is black or brown?
It says color is black.
Okay, yeah, it is black. It's black and quilted. So, black. Water-resistant chair cover.
It's got the Gorilla Grip.
Gorilla Grip. Okay, what is this? Bamboo Comfort. Premium Bamboo Comfort. I'm going to scan it. It's something bamboo. Some kind of fabric bamboo thing. Okay, it's a pillow. There's a pillow in there.
Look at that.
Yep. So there you go. Premium Bamboo Comfort Pillow with... This would be perfect for traveling as well. I feel like this is the travel box.
Yep.
All right. And then last thing in the box is... Look at this blanket. Doesn't it look like a sweater?
It kind of does, yeah.
Look at that. It is a cable knit Sherpa oversized throw reversible blanket sheepskin, faux sheepskin lined, cozy cotton blend sweater, turquoise blue.
That is so soft. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. It feels like a bunny.
Yeah.
You know? Doesn't it feel like a bunny?
That is really nice.
So that's a super nice one.
Does that have ability to be scanned?
It has a scanner on this.
Maybe on the bag?
I don't know if it'll scan. We'll see.
That'd be interesting to know if that's worth anything.
It did scan.
Usually we're getting like $15 to $20 on a blanket.
This is a $68 blanket.
Wow.
See? And it's got a great sales rank.
Oh, wow. It really does.
So we would send it in. And after fees, so we could either send it in or we could sell it on the fire sale. We would make $51 to Amazon, and that's after fees and shipping it in. I think we'd sell it for $50 on the fire sale.
Yeah.
So
that almost pays for the entire box.
Yeah. So we would sell this for $50, or we'll send it in to Amazon if it doesn't sell on the fire sale. But yeah, this is an extra large one. Let me see how big it is. Ocean teal. It says medium weight, so it's not real heavy. Let's see if it has measurements on it. I'll have to look at the listing to find them. But they said it's extra large, but that is so pretty. I love that color. All right, so we clearly have some amazing things that we're going to add to our fire sale this week. If you want any of these things, you can always contact me ahead of time and see if I have them still available. And so if you see this and you like something, just stop the video right there. Send me an email. I usually try to just do first come, first serve. But I clearly don't have prices on it right now. We're going to go through and we'll price it after the fact. And you'll be able to see those prices on the sneak peek video if you're a patron. If not, then you'll be able to see the prices on the fire sale. So the fire sale is every Friday on this YouTube channel. We sell these items directly to you through my Hooked on Pickin store, and so it's really fun. So if you want to be a part of the fire sale, just make sure you send me your info via email with an address and your YouTube name if it's different from your real name, because I love having people on the fire sale. It's super fun. If you haven't seen one, go back and check some of our old ones. We do them every Friday. And then, of course, go to Hooked on Pickin, because like all of this unique stuff, I always put more stuff on Hooked on Pickin. We have cool knives. We have awesome clothing for the ladies. We've got purses. Everything you see behind me is available on Hooked on Pickin. And so go there. We have a lot of eclectic things and fun things for gift ideas and just for the everyday household items. So hopefully you had fun watching me unbox this home decor 888 lots box. And like I said, if you want to buy one yourself, all the stuff is down in the description. If you'd like to become a reseller, you can also talk to me about that as well. So hopefully you had fun, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, thanks for watching. If you are not yet a subscriber to the YouTube channel, make sure you hit subscribe and that notification bell. I put a video out every single day of all the fun things that I unbox on a regular basis. I also give lots of reselling tips. If you too would like to jump into the reseller world and would like some help, I have reseller helps on my Hooked on Pickin channel, and you can get guides, you can get consultation phone calls with me, and many other things that are available on that channel or on that website, hookedonpickin.com. I will see you there.